Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's Mommy Ebetri here. Welcome back to my kitchen. If today is your first time of tuning into this channel, thank you so much, okay? And don't forget to give us a thumbs up. If you're a returning subscriber, oh, you guys rock. Thank you for supporting me, okay? I'm grateful. So today we are making Nigerian catfish pepper soup. Is very unique. The recipe is very vast, but today I'm making it with unripe plantain. Okay, so this is our catfish. I'm going to show you the detailed way I wash my catfish so that all the gunks will be out. This is my already washed fish. Is properly washed already, but now let me show you how to wash this catfish to remove all the slimy stuff and all the gunks. You start by removing everything inside the fish from the fish, okay? All the stuff inside the fish, make sure you remove everything aside the egg. That is if you like eating the egg. I like it, so whenever I cook it, I like eating the egg. It gives it has this crunchiness to it. So that's it. After removing everything, as you see me do, I'm going to pour hot water on top of the fish. So the hot water loosens the gunk on the fish. It makes it easy for you to scrape it out, maybe with a brush, with a spoon or knife. It depends on what you want to scrape out the gunk with. Though not all the gunk is going to come out easily on one washing. So you have to wash it about 2 to 3 times until the fish is no longer slimy or slippery. You can see all the gunks. You can see it. Do this to all the fish, and it's going to reduce the slime and the gunks on the fish. So I'm rinsing the fish. After this, I'm going to put it in a bowl. Then I'll pour in hot water on top of the fish. The reason why I'm doing this is to bring the fish together. The hot water is going to contract the fish. It will make the fish firm so that when it gets into the pot, it's not going to scatter easily. This is the final stage of washing the fish. The fish is clean, but I'm going to show you how I wash the fish in the final stage. This is lime. You can use lemon if you have. I just squeeze it into this water, this clean water. All the fish is going to pass through this lemon or lime water. This will remove any leftover gunk or any kind of slime that is still on the fish. Is going to remove everything totally. Your fish will be absolutely clean after this last stage of washing. This is how I wash my fish. Hope you've learned it. That is if you want to wash your fish. This is the method I use. Now I'm going to cut the plantain, the unripe plantain we are using for this catfish pepper soup. After removing the plantain peel, I'm going to cut it into the size I want it to be. You can use, instead of this unripe plantain, you can use yam or potato. It's all about choice. So it's all about your choice. I'm going to cut it into the pot after removing the peel. I'm going to spice this water because we'll be cooking the catfish inside of it. The reason why you need to spice this water is if you add your catfish, you'll be limited in the way you stir your pots, the way you turn the catfish you are cooking, because if you are careless in turning it, everything is going to scatter or separate inside the pot. This is the pepper we'll be using for this catfish pepper soup. This is my yellow habanero pepper. It gives a very sweet tingling taste in the catfish pepper soup. And these are other peppers, scotch bonnet, chili pepper, and all the rest. I'm going to blend it. After blending it, I'm going to pour it into the pot. I'm just spicing the water, the pepper soup water. Now I'll start adding the catfish. The reason why I didn't cut some of my catfish completely is because it helps the catfish not to break down completely. I'm not going to cook all the catfish in this pot. I'll be using a bigger pot, but that will not be filmed. I'm just filming just this particular pot that I'm cooking some of the quantity, some of the catfish. Crayfish. It does my pepper soup mixture. In there I have oda, uziza seed, and little bit of efuru. So this is how you stir it. You shouldn't be turning it carelessly so that all your fish will be intact after cooking. Everything I use, all the spice I use will be in my description box. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I will answer your questions honestly. This is the part you check for your salt, you check for the taste of your catfish to know if it's what you want it to taste like. And that is it. Tell me in the comment section how you like your catfish. Do you like cooking it with plantain or potato or yam? How do you like cooking your catfish pepper soup? I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to thank you again for all your support towards my channel. It makes me happy. Thank you so much. Our catfish pepper soup is ready. Now let me dish out some so that I can see how it is. Please, if you are watching at this point and you've not subscribed, please subscribe, okay? It's going to help me further. Thank you so much. So this is how it looks. It tastes so good. When I say it tastes good, it does taste super good. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share, like, and comment. See you in my next video. Bye.